Hi, Susan Zumo here, intuitive and originator of soul patterning harmonics. I'm starting a series called Messages from the Galactics, and I hope that these messages will give you something uplifting to focus on and something that will help you as we move into the rest of this year and into 2024. So I'm calling it Messages from the Galactics. However, when I did my tune-in to find out what that message would be, my intuition, my soul, giggled and said, "You are a galactic. Everyone is a galactic, and we are all connected through that shared lineage." What I heard was, think about this in the same way that you think about people coming from different states in your country. We all originate from a different state, a different planet, a different system, a different star, but we are all connected. We all share a connection through God, Source, Creator. We all share a connection in the experience that we are having at this time and on this planet. And so we truly are one. And I'd like to go ahead and read the message that was given to me as we release the heat of summer and begin to move into fall, ready for the change of seasons, a change within us as well. We have the ability and the mechanisms within us to create the life that we wish to live for ourselves and for those that we love. The way that we do that is to align the heart and the mind, releasing any judgments and any fears, which we can do once we enter into the heart space. So we align the mind and the heart by moving the mind into the heart center. Open the heart center once your focus is within your heart. Channel infinite love from your heart, which is connected to your soul. Surround yourself and fill yourself with love. And allow that to expand out into your environment. Sitting in the heart, connected to the soul, surrounded by love, gives us the opportunity to release fear, to release judgments, and to relax and begin to imagine the life that we wish to see for ourselves and those we love. So go ahead and take a moment and start to imagine what your wonderful life would look like. No fear, no limits, no reactions. Just a harmonious experience with all of your needs met and enough for everyone. More than enough for everyone. Allow yourself to feel pure joy while you're envisioning this beautiful life. And know that this is possible for you. Know that it is being created for you. And know that as your thoughts and your love and your joy exudes from your heart center and your desire moves out from you, it's being made manifest now, and it's placed on your timeline right now. And so as you take a deep breath, know that all you have to do from here is hold that vision for yourself, for those you love, and for the world at large. It's going to be wonderful. Spend your time and your thoughts and your awareness observing all the ways in which your creation is being brought into your environment. It may begin in small ways and then start to snowball. Eliminate doubt and fear by bringing the mind back into the heart center and experiencing that soul connection of love as you envision that beautiful life being placed right on your timeline. You're going to walk right into it. And as you do, this is how you create the world that we all want to see and live in. A beautiful, harmonious life filled with love and joy, freedom, happiness, excitement, and beauty. Until next time, many blessings.